I'll go over everything and double check. There's a, I see like that one's got a couple cracks and stuff in it already, but all that'll get fixed. You want the whole thing to be carbon, right? You don't want to do like just a section. You want to do like just the top part or bottom part, all carbon. Cool. Okay. What's up?
Kyle, I gotta do it every single time. Shameless plug.
That's full of shame.
The Gen Gang key tags. If you guys have not picked out your key tags yet, get them.
I don't have one.
Yet you haven't gotten it because they're flying off the shelf like crazy, Kyle. Hashtag respect the build on the back. On the front, you got the Gen Gang. We have them again in red and in black. If you are part of the first 10 people, use code GenGang10 to get 10% off of your order, but that's only for the first 10 people, so do it quick before that code doesn't work anymore. Right, Kyle?
You haven't sold 10 yet?
Well, I mean, I haven't even publicly put these out for sale, and I'm talking as if we've already been selling them.
Oh, okay. All right, I got it.
Wait.
I'm just busting your balls.
Yeah, I haven't sold 10 of them. Yeah. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. It's the first vlog that Kyle and I are doing together, right, Kyle? Yeah. From now on, Kyle and all these awesome projects. As you can see behind me, this crazy wide-body Subaru. Kyle's just finishing up this, right? Yep, crazy. We'll do a walk around so you guys can see the rest of this car. But Kyle and I are gonna start working on projects every week. Kyle does everything like crazy, right?
I work all day long, every day.
I've talked about this in plenty of my videos. Kyle does too much stuff and he needs help. So I'm gonna be working with Kyle for like 3 days out of the week. That means we're gonna be pumping out videos. Count on probably one video a week. We're gonna try and promise and keep that to you guys at a minimum. We're gonna try and pump out more than that. But obviously we're gonna be doing pretty cool projects like this. Kyle, what do we have here? Obviously we could hear from some of the intro. We're bringing you more Genesis content.
More piles of parts.
More piles of parts. So what we have here is something that you guys have not seen here on this channel yet. This is a Monster Service V1 kit, yes. Correct? Monster Service V1 kit. Now, the guy Jay who's dropping this off is trying to do something super unique, right, Kyle? This is all gonna be done in carbon fiber. So you guys are gonna pretty much watch from start to finish us complete this project in carbon fiber. Install it onto this Genesis and it be super sick.
Yes, sir. Gonna be the one and only.
Right.
That's so what we strive for. One and only on everything.
Right. One and only on everything. So if you guys are excited, comment down below. Let us know. Follow Kyle. Kyle's Instagram will be on the screen. My Instagram will be on the screen. We're gonna continue to do projects like this until we can't anymore. Right.
Oh, that means I would not have a job. So.
Right, so we're gonna keep doing this until we can't. So this is day one. First thing on the agenda list that we're working on, what Kyle's doing right when I pulled up because I just got off work, is finishing up this wide body. I wanna say it's an STI.
Yes.
It's an STI, not a WRX. Cool, thank you. Got it right. People in the Subaru community, don't crucify me.
There's a sticker on the back, just mention.
Yeah, we have to double check.
Yeah, I mean, sticker says it all. It's just like the internet, it's always true.
Yep, if the sticker's on there, it's gotta be true. Believe whatever sticker's on their car. So this wide body kit is actually pretty sick. Kyle had worked a little bit on these, look at these canards, they're pretty sick. I like the lip, the canards. Kyle said he had to adjust these a little bit, trim them up a little bit, put on this wide body kit. Looks great. And punched a hole inside this bumper to put what? Can we test fit this little vent here?
So I had to do a little modification to the vent. It comes in, it's just plastic, but plastic is malleable and it wasn't perfect fitting, so I did a little fitment to it. But we still have to put the little grating on the back of it and get it stuck up in there, but that's where it's gonna go.
That's what we're working with right now.
So get those installed real quick. And then I have the last piece is to install the door section here for that, and be good to go.
Then
finished up.
Ready to rock and roll. Also, another thing we wanted to talk about were these wheels that Kyle put on. They are what wheels are these?
Add-on? I don't even know how you say that thing, man. I don't know.
A lot of people actually run this wheel company. I've actually seen it on multiple, like Infinities, Genesis, tons of 350Zs, tons of BRZs actually run this same exact wheel company. They make tons of wheels. They make a whole bunch of great three-piece looking wheels at an affordable price. This isn't even a sponsored video, Kyle. We're just throwing out plugs out here for people. Yeah. That's what we do. So if you guys want to send us stuff, we'll promote it. Right, Kyle?
We will promote anything. You got some milk? I'll promote some milk.
Got milk? Got Scotch Brite? We do.
Yeah, someone sent me that. Those aren't cheap. I use them a lot. having to shorten some screws.
Yeah. Jeez. First line of work, as you can see, I already finished these vents. They look better than yours.
No, it does not.
It does.
Let's see.
Mine's beautiful.
It's on there pretty good. It wants to stick.
And just like that, the vent is on. Subaru's done. I didn't do much work on it, but I'll give you guys a walk around, kind of show you guys the car. So previously, before Kyle got it, it was not wide. Kyle just stalled that car in the background. How embarrassing. How embarrassing.
That clutch is done.
I just got you stalling it. What an excuse from the man himself.
Okay.
Kyle, so what all happened with this car? The wide body kit happened, the wheels happened, and then the fender vents?
Yep, that's it.
That's it. Cool. We're gonna do a quick walk around to kind of show you guys what this car looks like. Car looks great, but the meat of this video is the Genesis. So we're gonna pull the Genesis in and start assessing it, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Start working.
That kit is gonna be going on. Again, it's a Monster Service V1. We're gonna be test fitting and then probably mounting this kit on, right, Kyle?
Yep.
And then after we get this kit mounted, we're gonna pull it off and then all the carbon fiber skinning won't be happening. All right, so this is what the car looks like right now. So we have a carbon fiber duckbill trunk, BK2 stock taillights. He's got some black chrome blast pipes. He also has the carbon fiber typical Genesis rear diffuser. He's got some Rohan wheels, side skirts. Don't know where these are from. They look pretty decent. Another splitter, carbon fiber hood, and it's on air ride. Pretty cool little setup. Oh, we also have the homies. We haven't talked to them. They haven't been in the videos for a minute, but the Inozetek boys, the homies, they have the louvers. A big reason this guy has got to do this wide body kit and a full fender replacement. This right here, look at this. Bacon fenders.
Fitment goes wrong.
Yeah, when fitment goes wrong, look at this. So wavy, so bacony. And we even have, I would argue that it's a little bit worse on this side. You can, whoo! Buckling fenders, no bueno. All right, so update. We have both front fenders off and the bumper off. We're getting ready to test fit all the new parts on here. Installing aftermarket parts, no matter how great or expensive they are, they usually require a little bit of work to make fit, right, Kyle?
99.9.
99.9% of the time, there's gonna be a little finessing that needs to happen.
First time that I've seen an aftermarket fender specifically, it already has everything drilled in the way it's supposed to be drilled.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So
these are never drilled in.
Right.
Even has the H on it.
Nice.
That's super cool. All right.
Top quality. So
there's 5 for Monster Service.
Yeah,
already.
this is a check in our book for Monster Service. So you're seeing it firsthand here. Look, we have a stamped seal of approval, Monster Service, labeled inside of the fender. If you don't see this inside your fender, you could probably assume that it's not real.
It's not made in Russia where these are made.
Yeah. And the bracket holes right here fit.
Wow. So these are lining up. We'll see when we close the hood, if if we're even close. Maybe this has just got a bow to it. See, the holes are lining up now, but not now when you pushed it in.
Yeah.
So that's okay. So it'll have to re-drill the hole.
And what I will say is these are very thin.
Very thin.
Very thin.
I mean, it's gonna be good for lightweight,
right?
Because they are super lightweight. It's positive for drifters, racers.
There's a fender.
It is mostly on, yeah.
So there's a little bit of stuff that needed to happen. We had to oval some of these holes out. Aftermarket fenders never fit perfectly. For the most part though, the Monster Series fender fit pretty well.
Way better than most, I can say. Everything turned out pretty decent. We've got a couple more things to modify. Putting some washers and stuff behind here. As you can see, this is two inside.
Yeah, there's a little low point right here.
So, but once we get that popped out a little bit, this will be nice and flush. And then we can also push this a little farther forward to have a better gap. So when you open the door, you don't have hitting. Monster Service, I'd give it a B+ for sure.
Definitely.
A would mean I wouldn't have to oval out anything, and it would just come right on. So,
right.
I mean, you're close compared to most.
It's close compared to most.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, look at you.
Well, thanks for watching this video. If you guys are excited about this build or any of the other projects that Kyle and I do, comment down below. At this point in the video, like if you've watched this far in the video and you don't follow one of the two of us on this, I don't know.
I don't know what you're doing with your life.
I don't either. Yeah. So again, these are going to be done in carbon fiber to match the hood. All this fun stuff and more, so stay tuned. That's going to be it for tonight. Like and subscribe. We're 21,000 now.
Oh, wow. We're cruising.
Cruising. Bye. There
Shameless plug.
Shameless plug. Yeah, I got it. All right, we're out of here.